Well, welcome back to Channel 1. Today I'm going to be working on a Maytag washer. I'm going to be replacing the basket drive hub plate. I had done this on a washer back a while ago and I was so successful. I got another one. This time I'm going to show you how I did it. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go through this relatively quick because there's really not a lot to it. First thing we need to do is there's going to be a small little cover here you need to peel off with a regular screwdriver. Then that's going to reveal I think it's a 7/16 bolt. And you're going to want to hopefully pull that off there. Now in the last one I did, I had to leave it in there just a little bit because it would not come out. I'm going to try this one, see if I can get that to come out. So what you might want to do is put that back in ever so slightly. Pull on this and just hit the top of that just a little bit with a hammer, and that should break that free. Take that bolt back out, all the way out this time. You should be able to pull that unit right out of there, just like that. Pretty nasty. I'm not going to worry about that right now. Alright, and it's going to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and it's going to be a little clip here that you're going to need to pull out. You'll be able to just take your screwdriver and pop that out of there. Like that. And we're going to pull those 6 screws out of there. Be careful not to drop those screws down there, because the last one I did, and I had to take the tub out. There's a lot more to it if you got to take the tub out. Just take it easy, go slow. You should be able to get that out of there. There we go. And there it is. You can see it's all stripped, just like the one I did last week. So here's the old one. And here's the new one. And I'll put a link down below on where I got this. See the teeth in that one. These ones are completely gone. It's a common problem with these washers. So all we need to do is just line that up. Probably ought to clean that up a little bit. Alright, now just gonna lay that in there and line it up. I think that's it. Looks pretty good right there. Yep. Go ahead and take your new clip. Now let's just reverse the process and put our wash plate back on. there it is. I told you there wasn't much to it. So that was pretty much in real time right there. So I'll put the description down below where I got the part. I think it was like $10 for it. And it didn't take me long at all. The one I did last week was a lot longer because the wash plate would not come off. So just loosen up that bolt a little bit like I showed you and just tunk that while you're trying to pull the wash plate at the same time, and that should come off. This one came off relatively easy. So other than that, you're good to go. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.